Hi guys, how are you today? Today we are going to explain what you have to do in the guide number 5. In this guide you have a reading comprehension and some questions. You have to read this passage which is called What Makes People Successful. So you have to read this passage about what makes people successful. You have some information there, and we go to page number 3, and we have some questions that you have, or some tasks that you have to complete. The first one, it says answer the questions about the text, what makes people successful. So you have to answer these two. What is the main idea of the text? Okay, what the text is about, and according to the text, what is success? Okay, in the next exercise, it says based on the reading, check the information you consider are examples of success. Which of these affirmations for you is a good example of success? Then we have some questions. We have a second time, a second part, and you have to answer some questions about the text. What makes people successful? And it says choose the most accurate summary of the corresponding answer from the following questions. So you have two questions, you have to mark with an X, and you have to choose what other definition can be found about how to succeed. Okay, this is according to the text. And the second question, it says how can a successful person be defined? So you have three options, and you have to choose how can a successful person be defined, okay, according to the text. And we continue with the part B, and we have three more questions, and it says how can we reach the feeling of successful life? Okay, how you're going to reach that feeling of success in your life? What aspect do we need to consider to plan a successful life? What kind of things or aspects we're going to need to plan a successful life? And then, based on your opinion, what is the best definition for success? In this case, remember that you have to use be going to and will according what do you want to make me understand. So in this is the exercises that you have to do. Everything is related to one text, okay, about this text that you have here. Okay, you have to read it carefully. Okay, you have to read it between lines in order that you can answer the questions. Okay,